Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my video. Today I will show you how to create a Shopify partner account. So no more waiting. Let's start it. So first you have to go any browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox. You can go anywhere, any browser. So I'm going to Google Chrome browser. So let me search Shopify partner, and then you can see the first link, Shopify partner. Just have a look. So you have to click here, become a Shopify partner today, and after that you can see this page is like Shopify partner. You can see the logo, and if you have a previous account, then you can simply just log in, and otherwise if you don't have the previous account, then you can click here, join now, and after that you can see the pages. Since we create this store, our client store, or practice purpose, we are creating this store, so we can select this on first one, building new Shopify store for client. So then click next, and you can see the this country or region. So I'm from Bangladesh, that's why it's automatic selected. So if you have if you live in another country, then you can see your country or region. So I'm not changing this one. If you want to change, then you can change, but I'm not changing this one. So I'm just click the next, and next you can see the contact information. You have to put your business name, like I'm just putting my business name, Explainerium, and then you can see the address. So I'm just sending that, I'm just putting the address. Dhaka, it's the optional, but I'm putting this Dhaka. Zip code, Dhaka zip code. Okay, I'm just putting this on 100. It's not set. And now you have to put your title, job title. So I'm just putting this web development, and you have to put your phone number. So I'm just putting Tami phone number, and those are link are optional, so we don't need to put there. So I read, and now next. Now it will take approximately one minute, not 1 minute, it will take some second. So now your store is like your partner account is created. So you have to now create a store for your store where you will working. Okay, so you can see the store, and now you can see create a development store and request access to store managed by client, but we're not doing that. We will create a development store, right? So just simply click here, and now you can see development store use. So create a store for a client, create a store to test and build. So we will create a store to test and build, right? We're not creating the store for our client. So just simply click here, and now you have to put here unique name. Like if someone used in previous, then you will be not able to put here. Like I'm just putting, just have a look, I'm just putting the common name Shopify. Just have a look, store name cannot be Shopify. Okay, I'm just putting here like partner. You can see store URL is unavailable, so we will be not able to put here that name already used in previous. So we have to put here unique name. So I'm just putting here my my brand name, Explainerium. So you can see this is a unique name, so it will take. Now you can see which build do you want to test. So I'm just selecting here like latest build, and this you can see data and configuration. So I'm just selecting this, start with an empty store. So everything, if everything will be okay, then you can just create a development store. and it will take some few seconds, then it will be created your new store, and it will redirect this, it will go redirect on the pages. Just have a look. Okay, I think it's reloading again. Yes. Okay, now you can see the store has been created. So now you can do design, or you can do each and everything from there. So this video will be in here. I don't want to increase the video duration more, so I will make another video for you guys. And yes, thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Thank you.